how Obio met Uche in 2020 and was adopted in 2021.
Okay guys, don't go anywhere. Before we continue, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the red subscribe button, turn on your bell icon so you can get notified each time we drop interesting content on this channel. Without wasting your time, let's get into the main video. Nollywood actress Obio is a talented teenager who became a star in the movie industry in 2021 after she was discovered and adopted by her mom Uche. Just as we have heard the popular Kempopo from previous generation, Obio stormed the Nollywood scene as one of the finest actors, and she found a perfect way in producer Uche, who has recorded tremendous success in the movie industry. Uche is an award-winning Nollywood costumier and filmmaker, born on the 2nd of May and hails from Anambra State, Nigeria. Before Uche adopted Ebube, she already had 4 daughters.
I want fruit of the womb! How many times did you do abortion when you were single?
I've done so many abortions.
Obio was just a girl with dreams when she finished her secondary school education in 2020 in Anambra State, but decided to go to Asaba to meet her brother, where she met one of the Nollywood top producers who made her a household name in just a few years.
So mama,
If I tell you the great
so if you want buy house, now my plantain you go first start. Now come in boss lady.
Plantain!
Oh yeah, plantain, answer your name now. Okay.
If not for one thing,
Thank you for banking with us.
can you come back?
But I beg, close your mouth before fly go end.
Best friend!
Bros, I swear, they feel your pain.
like your belt.
Kidnapper! Kidnapper!
Well, it all started in 2021 when Nollywood producer invited Obio to the set of one of her YouTube series, Pride of Land. According to Obio, Uche soon developed a keen interest in her, as she would get extra playful with Obio whenever on set, and even started giving her major roles in the movie industry. Uche surprised the actress with a Christmas gift in 2021, and this gesture got Obio really tearing. Obio has since then been living in same house with Uche and her daughters. Uche has grown so fond of her adopted daughter Obio, as they have both shared beautiful moments on different dance videos. I have a lot of those dance videos on my page, please just check them out. Uche once wrote a beautiful piece on her wall, and I quote, "See how this girl at Ebube is making me do some things I never thought of doing. It's the hyping for me. Although it made me ease out a lot of stress, help me tell at Obio that I love her so much. Now grade my dance steps." Okay. Uche is so fond of Obio that you can see a lot of their comedy and dance videos on their wall. Apart from Uche Obio has also shared so many fun videos with her sisters, Sonia Uche.
Mama, what is the virgin?
Virgin, a woman, way man never touch.
Hey! Thank God, sir, I'll not be virgin again.
Huh?
If not, Rich, mama gonna use me laugh. I'll not be virgin.
Huh?
I'll not be virgin again. No. Plenty man don't touch me.
Hey!
They even pass 20.
Seriously? Who touch you?
They do 19.
Who are who?
Even at I'm trying.
Obio was born on the 12th of August 2004, and she'll be 19 this year. She hails from Okija in Yala local government area of Anambra State.